and today we're making Seoul Wraps from Keller High School. To start off, you'll need 2 cabbage leaves, 2 pieces of turkey, a 1/4 cup of shredded carrots, 6 spinach leaves, and last but not least, 2 teaspoons of fat-free ranch. Let's start. Take your cabbage leaves and add your 2 pieces of turkey. Next step, add half of your carrots. Then you add 3 spinach leaves per one. Last but not least, we're going to drizzle a teaspoon of fat-free ranch on each. Then you can roll it up and eat it.